Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the airline website or app and entering your booking reference and last name. This immediately pulls up your reservation. Once logged in, confirm passenger details and passport data so the system clears you for travel. Next, select seats and add baggage allowance now to lock prices and avoid airport queues. Finally, save the boarding pass to your wallet app or download a PDF. Make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss gate changes. Once at the airport, go straight to the bag drop kiosk if you have checked luggage, scan your mobile or printed boarding pass and attach tags to your bags. After dropping baggage, head to passport control or ID verification for international departures. Have your passport and boarding pass ready to speed the line. Next, pass through security screening, remove laptops and liquids as required, then reorganize your carry-on. Once through, double-check your gate and departure time and stay near the boarding area. You should be at the gate at least 30-45 minutes before departure and monitor announcements for boarding groups. Present your boarding pass and ID when called. Once on board, stow carry-on items in overhead bins or under the seat and confirm your seat number with the crew if there's a mismatch. If a problem occurs, missing boarding pass, phone died, or incorrect name, go to the airline help desk or gate agent immediately. They can reissue passes or resolve reservations so you don't miss the flight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.